Today is all about getting this grill off my countertop. Hi everybody, and welcome to the channel about kit cars and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and share with others. Today we're going to try to finish up the radiator. Of course it's not painted yet, but go ahead and get the radiator finished, all the parts figured out, drilled, install the fan and the shroud, and get everything kind of permanently installed, and then get this out of my kitchen because it's just been kind of taking over my house. So we're going to piece that together and see how it goes. Well, I'm back out in the garage. When it comes to these holes in the condenser, you have to put the grill, the condenser brackets, spacers, then the actual radiator, and in between some of that is actually the mounts for the actual hood hinges. And so I know that there's no way these are going to line up, so I'm going to go ahead and make them bigger. It's just one of the most difficult things I found on this whole build. All right, so recap, I got the hinges for the hood all taken care of. Looks beautiful with the paint on it, and everything's ready to go. This is the brace that goes in between the two hinges that holds the actual hood on. And then over here, I am finally, for the first time, happy. This cheap little Dremel that's 20 bucks is blowing through all these special, blown through better than all these special like carbide bits and all the stuff to go through stainless. So I just routed everything out, and now we have some decent holes that are totally clear, and this thing is done. The other thing is I was going to paint this grill the gray because I wanted it to be maintenance free. And everybody's like, no, you got to polish it. You got to polish it. And I'm like, no, I don't really want to polish it because I'm not dealing with the maintenance on that. But I did do a lot of research on pictures and stuff of what this looks like, polished or not polished. And I think it actually is going to come in line with the bling of the car. So I might have to clear powder coat it because I don't want to deal with the maintenance. Or if I could put a clear spray on it, I'll do that too once it's polished. So we'll see, but my nemesis has finally been beaten, and I think we're good to go on this. I don't want to ever see it again. I might paint these flanges black just to make them go away, but besides that, and hide my burn marks. But besides that, I think we're good on this, and have a great day.